Hi and welcome to this guided mindfulness meditation. So this is a really simple yet powerful way to learn how to meditate without having to actually sit there in complete silence with your eyes closed. We use different awareness techniques, we focus on sounds and the body and the breath in order to be able to create this calm and clear mind. So let's start. You can either sit down in a comfortable seated position, so legs crossed. If the knees are high off the ground, maybe you want to put a block or a blanket behind on your tailbone. That's going to help to give you some elevation and lower the knees down towards the ground. Or you can lie down completely on your back. So make sure that you're really comfy. Your palms are facing up and away from the body, and your feet are flopping out to the sides. So choose your position and take a moment to adjust. So making small movements in the body, perhaps adjusting your clothing so that nothing is going to distract you during this meditation. And when you found your perfect position, start to really settle into this moment, allowing everything that has happened up to now to just fade away, completely forgetting about the future, bringing everything to this moment right now. And as your body begins to soften and relax even more, you take all of your attention to the sounds that are going on around you. Not labeling any sounds, but just jumping from sound to sound to sound. What's the most distant sound that you can hear right now? And then bringing your awareness to closer and closer sounds. Perhaps noticing the sound of your own breath. The sound of your heart beating. As you shift all of your attention to your body, noticing all the areas of your body that is touching the ground beneath you. Notice the feeling of your clothes against your skin. And the temperature of the air around your face. as you shift all of your awareness from your body to your breath. Just watching your natural breath signature, so no need to change, just observe what's going on for you right now. And as you watch your breath, perhaps you start to notice your breathing becoming longer, smoother and deeper as you inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Notice the areas of your body that expand as you inhale. And the areas that contract as you exhale. Notice the temperature of the air in the nostrils as you inhale. And how the temperature changes as you exhale. And then take all of your awareness to the space just below your nostrils. Notice the sensation of the air flowing in and out only on that spot. This is our anchor point in mindfulness meditation. It can help us to really stay focused on our breathing, allowing the mind to become very calm. And of course, we are human, thoughts are going to float in. But what can be really helpful when that does happen is to imagine them like a big red helium-filled balloon. So as soon as you notice a thought floating into your experience, just allow it to float away. That's all we have to do in meditation, just not follow our thoughts down a thought rabbit hole. Instead, just release them, come back to the space between our nostrils, and just watch our inhales and exhales. I'm going to leave you for 5 minutes to try this meditation yourself, keeping all of your attention on the space below the nostrils, just breathing, watching, and allowing your thoughts to float away. I'll let you know when it's time to come out. And keeping the eyes closed and the body nice and still, on your next inhale, follow the breath deep down into your inner body. Really tune into the most subtle part of yourself. How do you feel? Notice the difference how you feel from when you first started this meditation to now. Difference in the quality of your breath. Your mind. And your body. Feeling into that peace, that calm that you've cultivated during the practice, knowing that you can tap back into it any time. Thank you for meditating with me today. Have a lovely day. Bye.